So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new leads from Facebook lead ads to CleverTap as subscriber. Let's say to market your business and generate some new leads, you're running some ads on your Facebook page. And you want that the leads which you're getting from your Facebook lead ads, you want to add the same leads in CleverTap as well. So that you can manage your leads, monitor the user engagement and send some notification to nurture your leads as well from CleverTap itself. Now, the manual process of adding the new Facebook leads on CleverTap can be very repetitive and time-consuming. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. In this automation, as a new lead will be generated in our Facebook lead ads account, automatically with the same details, we are going to add that lead as a user profile in our CleverTap account. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this complete automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is the Facebook page which I've created for my real estate business. And on this Facebook page, I'm running some ads to generate some new leads. Now I want that whenever some new lead is generated using Facebook lead ads, I want to add the same lead with the same details as a user in CleverTap. Now to do this, we have to connect our Facebook lead ads account with CleverTap. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform to do so. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow over here. For that, click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name a workflow as Facebook Lead Ads to CleverTap. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. And as we click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads account, automatically with the same details, that lead will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of the same lead and add that lead as a user in our CleverTap account. So let's see how it is done. Here in our trigger step, in Choose App, search for Facebook Lead Ads. Just select it. After selecting Facebook Lead Ads in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Lead Instant. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Facebook Lead Ads account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Lead Ads button. And after that, here in this pop-up window, just select your Facebook account in which you have created the Facebook page and running the ads. And after selecting it, here you can see that automatically our Facebook Lead Ads account will get connected with Pabbly Connect over here. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the page name. So in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of this, the Facebook page on which I'm running the ads or from which I want to add the new leads in CleverTap is named as Home Hub Real Estate. So I will just search for the same Facebook page and select it over here. After selecting the Facebook page on which we are running the lead ads, we have to select the lead gen form. So it is most likely possible that you might have created multiple lead generation form in your Facebook ads account. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the forms which you have created. Now, if you want to add the new leads from a specific lead gen form to CleverTap, in that case, you can select that particular form. Or what you can do, if you want to add all the leads generated by all the lead gen form in your Facebook ads into CleverTap, you can select this option of all lead gen forms as well, which I'm going to select right now. After selecting our Facebook page and lead gen form, click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response, some details of a new lead from Facebook lead ads. Now, if you're having an active ad campaign, if your Facebook ad campaign is live and you're getting some new leads, in that case, you have to just wait for some time to capture the new lead. Or what you can do, you can use this Facebook's or Meta's lead ad testing tool. Using this testing tool, you can generate some test leads, some dummy leads for your lead gen form. Now, if you want to learn that how you can access and use this lead ad testing tool to generate some test leads, some dummy leads, then don't worry, we already have a dedicated video live on the channel. You can just refer to that video and learn how you can use this lead ad testing tool to generate some test lead. Now, after coming to this testing tool, here from this drop down of page, we have to select our Facebook page and then we have to select our lead gen form for which we want to generate the test lead. And then just click on this preview form button. And after clicking on preview form, this lead gen form will open in front of us in preview mode. Here we just have to enter the details of a new user. So let's say the name of this lead is demo user. This is the email address which we are entering. And then after that, we just have to enter the mobile number. So this is the dummy mobile number. The city is, for example, Delhi. And after entering the details of a test lead, of a dummy lead over here, we just have to click on this continue button. And as we click on continue, just click on submit. And as we click on submit here, you can see that using this lead ad testing tool, just now we have created a test lead. And because we have connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger step, now we have received a response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same lead. You have the same first name, same last name, same email, same mobile number, and same city of the lead. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed and we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send the details of the same new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads and add this lead as a user, as a person in our CleverTap account. For that, we will scroll down, come to this Actions tab, and here in Choose app, we will just search for CleverTap. Just select it. After selecting CleverTap, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create or Update User Profile. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our CleverTap account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the account ID or project ID of our CleverTap account. We have to enter the passcode and select the region. Now you must be thinking how you can get all of these details from your CleverTap account to make this connection. So to connect it, just go to your CleverTap account. From the left sidebar, go to Settings. And after coming to Settings, here on the Settings dashboard as well, you will see all the details. So here you can see the project ID of your CleverTap account. You can see the project token and the passcode. Click on this view button in front of project ID, copy the project ID from here and paste it over here in the Pabbly Connect's connection window. Then after that, copy the password. Just click on this passcode button as well. Click on view, copy the passcode and paste it over here as well. After entering these details, it is asking us for the region of our CleverTap account. So you might be having any one region out of all of this. To know the region, just go to your CleverTap account and here you can see in the URL section, the subdomain is EU1. So this is the region of my CleverTap account, that is European region. So from the drop down, I'm going to select Europe over here. After entering all of these details and selecting the region, just click on Save. And as you click on Save here, you can see our CleverTap account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the object ID. Now here in object ID, we have to enter a unique ID over here. Now from the Facebook lead ad responses of a new lead which we have received, you can either use the lead ID, the unique lead ID over here. You can use the timestamp, or what you can do, you can use the email address of the lead as the object ID or the unique ID. So I want to use the email address of the new leads as the object ID, a unique ID to separate each and every lead. So what we have to do, basically from the trigger step responses of Facebook lead ads, one by one, we have to send all of these details, all of these lead responses or lead gen form responses to this CleverTap action step. And to do this, we are going to use a process of mapping. So let's say if I want to add the email address of a new lead to this object ID field, for that, we just have to click on this field. And here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses of a new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads. Out of all of these responses, you can select the response of email and it will be mapped. So in this way, whatever email address the lead is going to enter in our lead gen form, the same lead gen form responses will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And using this automation, we are going to send the same details to create a user profile in CleverTap. After mapping this email address as the object ID, it is asking us profile data, that what are the other details of this user which we want to add while creating this user profile. And we have to enter the user profile data in this format. Like we have to enter the label first, like we are entering the name. So we have to write name in double quotes. Then after a colon in double quotes, we have to write the name of the person. Then we will be adding a comma. And in this way, we have to add the rest of the details. So let's get started. First, I want to add the name of the person. So in double quotes, I have written name. And after a colon in double quotes, we have to add the name of the person, name of the new lead, which we want to add as a new user profile in CleverTap. For that, from this drop-down of Facebook lead ads, we'll just select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then we'll just add a space and select and map the response of last name as well. And then we will close this double quote. Then after this, we will just add a comma and then we'll just open the double quote and then we will write the second information which we want to add. So I want to add the email address. So I'll write email in double quotes and map the response in front of email over here. So from this drop down, just select the response of email and map it. Close the double quote, add a comma. Then I want to add the mobile number over here. So I'll write mobile number. And after this, we'll just close the double quote. And after colon, we'll map the response of mobile number. So in this way, in this exact same format, we have to enter the other details as well. Like we have city over here. So we'll write city and then we'll map the response of city in front of it. So in this way, we have basically mentioned all the details of a new lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads over here and in the same format in which the profile data was asked. Then after that, after mapping all of these details of the user profile which we want to add and giving an unique object ID which is email address which we are using in this video, we will just click on this save and send test request button. Okay, so after clicking on save and send test request, it is showing us that we have a malformed request. So in this request, you can see I just missed a double quote over here before mobile number. So I've corrected it. Now let's click on save and send test request once again. And as we click on save and send test request, now you can see because we have created the data or added the data in the correct format as it is mentioned in the example, it is showing us that the response is success. This means this new user with the same email address is now added in our CleverTap account. So let's check it. We will go to a CleverTap account. From the left sidebar, we will go to segments. And after coming to segments, with the same email address which we have received from Facebook lead ads, with the same email address, we are basically going to search for the same person. So I'll just copy the email address over here. And then we'll just add the same email address over here and click on find. And as we click on find here, you can see that the same user's profile is created and open in front of us. Here you can see we have the same name demo user, we have the same email address. After that, here you can see we have the same mobile number of the person as well. So in this way, you can see all of these details of a new user is now added and this new person is created in our CleverTap account. So here you can see that the automation workflow between Facebook lead ads and CleverTap, which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated in our Facebook lead ads account, automatically with the same details, we are going to add that lead as a user profile in CleverTap. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. Once again, we'll go to this lead ad testing tool and we are going to generate another test lead. But before generating another test lead, first we have to delete the existing test lead because using this Meta's lead ad testing tool, you can only generate one lead at a time. So let me just click on this delete lead button and as we click on delete lead, the previous test lead will be deleted. Now we'll just refresh this page once and after refreshing the page from the drop down, we will just search for the same Facebook page over here. So I'll just search for the same Facebook page over here, home of real estate and select the same form. Click on this preview form button. And then this time in this lead gen form, we are going to enter the details of a new user. Let's see the name of the person is test user. This is the email address. This is a dummy mobile number which we are entering and the city is for example Bhopal. So just now we have entered some details of another test lead over here. Let's click on continue and click on submit. And this new lead is generated in our Meta lead ads. After generating this test lead, this new lead, we will see instantly within seconds, a person with the same lead, a user profile with the same lead will be created in our CleverTap account. So we'll just go to the find people section once again, and once again, we'll search for the person with the same email address. I'll just paste the same email address and click on find. And as we click on find here, you can see that test user, the same person to whom we have just now added, whose details we have just now added in this lead gen form, the same person is added over here. We have the same name, same email address, and also the same mobile number. This means the automation workflow which we have created between Facebook lead ads and CleverTap is working perfectly fine, and we have tested this automation in real time. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you can basically get 100 free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.